Okay, I haven't been to this air conditioner heaven in a while. I'm starting here because this unit normally never runs, and I decided why not film it. So yeah, here's this pane. That's not been running. It's a 4-ton from 2017. Well, this one's almost never running, so yeah, that's why I'm starting here. It's working okay. That's a 4-ton from 2017. Sounds pretty nice. Here are 2 more panes. I think that Bryant Legacy line over there is running. None of these have been running. That pane just turned off. That's exactly why I started here. That's also a 4-ton from 2017. By the way, those panes did not replace anything. They were just an addition. Before then, there were these 2 ICPs here. 2 of these. That one got replaced though. There's this ICP itself. I just knew that would happen. It's got a Copeland reset. It's a 3-ton from 2005. I just knew it. This Bryant is super quiet. The old unit here was super rattly. That's a 3-ton from 2022. Sorry I didn't really get it. There was a car coming. Just watch one of these panes turn on right in front of me. But I am back from my Kentucky trip now. So, yeah, I still have a few videos to post from there, including some startups. Right here we have this Train XB. It's got a Climate Tough recip. It's a 4-ton from 2005. And I'm gonna guess it hasn't been running. It only runs when it's really hot out. I knew it, but I don't think it's been running. This one I recently caught starting up. I actually caught that one starting up back in 2024. And this one hasn't been running either. And then, surprise, surprise, this Comfort's running. Real talk, not a surprise. It's always running in cool mode. Caught a monster steam show from this one. That's a 4-ton from 2013. That's where it's rattling. And then here's this Carrier base model, which I've never seen running. It's got a Copeland scroll. Of course it's not been running. That's a 4-ton from 2008. I also got this Train XR13 starting up last year. So at some point I've caught every unit here at this place starting up except for that base model. That's the only one I need to catch. think I already got the data, I don't know. But just in case, it's a 3-ton from 2006. I actually don't know if it's a 3-ton or a 2.5-ton because I saw a 30, but I also saw a 36. And that's not been running. It's got an Alliance and a sound blanket. And then this Train XR replaced one of those Train XR13s. It's got an Alliance scroll. Got this one starting up in heat mode. I'd like to catch this defrosting. I still haven't caught it defrosting. And that does not appear to have been running either. I'm gonna go check on the old ICP and Bryant. This is a 3-ton from 2023. Both of these pans are still off. ICP is still running. Yeah, these two are the ones that don't really seem to run. It's usually those two. I think they're both still running. Yeah. And that one just turned off. Alright, there you have it. That'll be it for this video.